guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install the inverter of the backlight of the LCD TV. So as you see, this is our inverter here, universal one. So we're gonna look how we're gonna install it. So after that, I was install also. This is a backlight, one of the backlight, and also we're gonna use this phone charge to get 5 volt. And this one, as I showed you before, that this is the adapter which is output of 12 volt. So I have to connect it on the electricity. Also, I'm gonna connect that cable for 5 volt to the electricity. As you see now, the light is on. When I disconnect 5 volt here, sim off. When I bring it back, sim on. When I turn it off, it be off. That is how we can use and we can make our backlight to be okay. Don't forget to subscribe.